It would be truly encouraging to see if we can boldly attempt to transform the current negative culture towards the environment to something more positive. That would be truly a transformation. And if this transformation is to occur, I strongly feel that it can only happen with the help of faith-based organizations. You, as leaders of faith-based organizations, have within your calling much influence that can be used for the betterment of our people. This is where the ministry hopes to engage your expertise to bring about behavioral changes amongst our people in regards to the care of the environment. A change that will bring about the much needed respect for God's creation, the environment, our only home. We will be finalizing the outcome statement, which you have adopted this morning, and the full final summit report. The ministry shall be calling another meeting soon in Suva to present the final report again to you for your endorsement.
We are really touched with the amount of supporting remarks, encouraging remarks coming from the participants as this is the way forward. It's about time that we get connected to our earth, our ecosystem, our nature, so that we are rightly doing our part in preserving our environment. It's about time that we walk the talk, and already challenges, proposals has come towards us from some faith-based organization that yes, they will invite the representative from Ministry of Environment and even Ministry of Foreign Affairs through its Climate Change Division to go in and create more awareness and get dirty by cleaning Fiji.
Well, in fact, when we came in, we didn't really know how we fit in. But now, after the 4-day seminar, I find that the government is very wise in getting faith-based leaders to get together and put their heads together how they can get across the message about the importance of environment in our society. It's a creation of God, and we are children of God. We represent God in being stewards to look after the things God has provided for us. And here, the government, I see it's wise because through these faith-based leaders, they can touch the hearts of the congregation through teaching the importance of environment around us.